Guess what we're doing today? We are doing a foundation wear test. So Wet n Wild, this is not sponsored, they sent this over in PR, and I want to do a wear test for you guys because this is their dewy formula of their cult favorite Photo Focus. And I have very dry skin, so let's see how this goes. Today, I kind of want to just get this part done with. They sent a lot over, so I'm going to be not using the whole, like, I'm not going to color swatch. If you guys want to color swatch, just go to their website. The reason why I'm not color swatching is because I'm going to donate these. Because why contaminate when you don't need to? Let's try this on. So they have a base. I believe that these retail for $5.99. I am in love with their Photo Focus, just their regular one. I assume that would be their matte one, but I love it. So let's try it on. Really want to see how this pans out with the primer and the foundation. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get into it because I hate when people like drag shit on, you know what I mean? So here is the primer. It says it's a hydrating primer. And I'm just gonna put a little bit on my forehead. Kind of stay away from my T-zone just because I do tend to get oily. Ooh, okay, so this, you guys, this is pretty freaking fragranted. Primer, base. So, pretty fragrant and very, very loose, watery, I would say. Almost watery. I'm going against everything I know. I'm not putting freaking sunblock on. I know, you guys, I'm dying. I just really wanted to give this the best chance it could get. I'm trying their soft beige color because that's what I was in their Photo Focus foundation, their original. I'm hoping and praying it's the same amount of coverage. So I'm gonna slap this on. Kind of looks a different coverage right now. I can tell it's a little bit more watery. This is from ColourPop. Oh, maybe it's not my color. Oh yeah, that's not my color right now. Oh well. This is so fragranted. You guys, if you're really sensitive towards fragrance, I'm hoping this goes away on my skin. But as of right now, I'm really liking the application with a brush. I feel like with a brush, it gives you more coverage, especially if you can find a dense brush. But it's not my color. And my camera shows up like, it shows up warm, like really crazy. But yeah, okay, so far so good. I'm gonna do a wear test throughout the day. I don't know what I'm doing today. Hopefully staying out of the sun. All right, I'm gonna put a little bit more on just because I feel like I'm not matching. I'm like, my spray tan's kind of like going. So far, so good. I'm actually really liking this coverage. It's buildable, like I had to build it. It's not like extreme coverage like their other one. Definitely like lesser of a coverage than their other one. But that's okay because you can see how dewy I am, but I have to set my face no matter what, dewy or not. I'm gonna set it. There is the application, a demo. Let's see how it wears during the day. If you guys see anything on my face, let me know in the comments, but I will let you guys know once I check in. I like to see wear tests, you know. So far so good. I actually really like the finish of this foundation. It doesn't sit into my pores or anything. My Botox is coming back, so see, my under eyes are really wrinkly and I put it on my under eyes and it doesn't look that bad. So what we're gonna see. All right guys, I will check in with you guys later on in the day. It is hours later. Most of the foundation came off my face, like around, but I touch my face a lot. But I wanna let you guys know, like I didn't put too much on my under eyes today, but you can see I didn't set very well. But it's not as full coverage as their original formula, I'll just give you that. But I do like, it's more of a skin type coverage and I like it. Not getting super oily just yet, a little bit by my nose, but we'll see how the rest of the day looks. Like I said, it's not enough coverage for me because like you could see my dark stuff that I have there. I will check in later before I take everything off and I'll let you guys know. So here I am, it's the end of the day. There's an echo because I'm in the bathroom. But here I am, end of the day. As you can see, a lot of it has came off my forehead. I have super bad texture on my forehead. A lot of it came off here, my forehead. But I must say, it looks like on no makeup days, I feel like it looks great. But if you guys want full coverage, this is not the foundation for you. It slides off, and I have dry skin, and it's still kind of slippy. So I kind of figured that that was gonna happen, but I'm probably gonna wear this foundation every day just because it gives me a good finish and it doesn't settle into fine lines. So, and I'm obviously, you can see I'm pretty dewy and greasy. So I cannot wait to take this off my face, but it doesn't feel heavy on my face. That's why I'm probably gonna wear it every day. You know what I mean? Sorry, I have like cough drop in. So there's the end of the video. I hope you guys got something from it. If you were to get foundation, I recommend the original formula, unless you have such dry skin and nice skin, because I feel like for uneven skin tones, this foundation is not for you, because it kind of just rubs off. So if you want like a matte full coverage, I recommend the other foundation, the original formula that they have. So I hope that's helpful. I will see you guys later. If you have any questions or want me to review anything else, let your girl know. I'll see you guys later. Okay guys, it's the next day and I wanna let you know I am breaking out actually pretty bad. Sorry, my daughter's in the background. Pretty bad on my forehead.
Stop.
I'm telling everybody how bad I'm breaking out from the foundation. My new foundation I tried. I like it, I'm wearing it today.
That's a horse, Mommy.
It is a horse. So I like it, I'm wearing it today, but as you can see, I have so much texture, it's coming off, and it broke me out. So there's my final thoughts. It is what it is. I like the original. So there it is. I hope you guys got something from this video.